Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Zahra Urwasi, student of BS Environmental Science in Pir Meher Ari University, Rawalpindi. Today our topic of discussion is microcomputer. In this topic we learn about the following terms: microcomputer, microprocessor, basic components, components of CPU, address bus, data bus and control bus. Microcomputer. Microcomputer is an electronic device with a microprocessor as its central processing system. Microcomputer is a complete computer on a small scale designed for use by one person at a time. Microcomputer is also known as personal computer. You can see microcomputer on your screen. Microprocessor. Microprocessor is most important component of microcomputer. The microprocessor is the multi-purpose clock-driven register-based digital integrated circuit that accepts binary data. That accepts binary data as input, process it according to instructions stored in its memory and provides results also in binary form. Components. The basic components of a microcomputer are memory, input, output, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Memory. A microcomputer stores the programs that control its operation to store data waiting for processing and to store the results of operation performed by CPU. Primary memory or storage is electronic memory that is directly addressable by CPU. It consists of RAM and ROM. Input device. In computer, input device is a piece of equipment used to provide data and control signal to an information processing system such as computer. Example of input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, camera and microphone. Output device. An output device is any piece of computer hardware which converts computer information into human readable form. It can be text, graphic, audio and video. Some output devices are monitor, speaker, printer, headphone, projector, GPS, sound card and video card. CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit and it is the brain of computer. In microcomputer, microprocessor is CPU. The CPU of microcomputer performs all the arithmetic logics and data handling function of microcomputer. It reads binary coded instruction and decodes the instruction into a series of simple action. Components of CPU. As you know, microprocessor is a CPU of microcomputer and it is divided into three segments. Number 1 is ALU. ALU is arithmetic logic unit. Number 2 is register array and number 3 is central unit. ALU. The arithmetic logic unit performs simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and logic operations. It is the area of microprocessor where various functions are performed such as memory store the programs, instruction and data. Control unit. The control unit is a component of CPU that directs the operation of the processor. It tells the computer memory, arithmetic and logic unit and input and output devices how to respond to the instruction that have been sent to the processor. Basically, control unit perform two basic tasks. Number 1 is sequencing and number 2 is execution. Next topic is register array. The register array process the data through number of register that act as a temporary fast memory location. Register array store the data. It consists of different registers depending upon their function and identified by letters such as B, C, D, E, H, L and accumulator. You can see components of CPU. Address bus. The address bus consists of 16, 20, 24, 20, 32 parallel signal lines. A bus is a pathway for digital signal to rapidly move data. There are three internal buses associated with processor. The address bus carries addressing signal from processor to memory and other addressable device around the processor. Data bus. Data bus, data bus consists of 8, 16 or 32 parallel signal lines. Data bus is a group of conducting wire which carries data only. Data bus is bidirectional because data flow in both directions from microprocessor to memory or from output input devices to microprocessor. Control bus. Control bus having 4 to 10 parallel signal lines. It is a group of conducting wires which is used to generate timing and control signal to control all the associated peripheral microprocessor. Uses the bus to process data. That is what to do with sealed memory location. Some control signal are memory read and memory write only. Types of microcomputer. Desktop, laptop, tablet, server, PDA and workstation are types of microcomputer. Desktop. A desktop computer is a personal computer that fits on or under a desk. They utilize peripheral devices for interaction such as keyboard and mouse for input and display device like a monitor, projector or television. Desktop computer can have horizontal or vertical form factor or to be combined with a monitor to create an all-in-one computer. Laptop. A laptop computer is a small portable personal computer that are designed to be more portable than desktop computer with many of the same abilities. Laptops are able to be folded flat or for transportation and have a built-in keyboard and touchpad. Workstation. A workstation PC is a computer designed to perform professional tasks. Unlike standard computer, workstation typically have specialized components that were designed to handle heavy computational or graphical tasks. You can see workstation on your screen. Thank you. If you have any question, then comment.